Hello, I'm Zdravko Velinov and I chair this year's poster session. I would like to invite you to our virtual posters gallery where we currently host 4 posters. To access the gallery, you must first log into our Discord server using the invitation emailed to you by our registration system. Afterwards, select channel posters and follow the link in the topic bar. Our gallery can be viewed on any WebGL enabled browser on a personal computer, mobile or VR HMD. You can view posters during the entire conference week. We are also going to have a virtual posters session on Wednesday, September 16th at 11 AM Pacific time. Make sure to log in to the virtual gallery and interact with the authors. We are also going to take written questions submitted on Discord from the audience, and now it is time to get a short glimpse of what you can expect in our poster session. Without further ado, here are the fast forward videos.
Hi, my name is Baktash and I would like to introduce to you hybrid ray Voxel-Tracing with fixed capacity grids. This technique allows you to produce output that is very close to ray tracing on hardware that has modern memory bandwidth and compute capabilities, yet lacks explicit hardware ray tracing support. Its ability to place an upper limit on the number of triangles tested per cell and to fill generated holes with voxels makes it a suitable alternative to voxels alone for gloss. These features and more equip the technique to readily handle dynamic geometry and procedural destruction. I hope you enjoyed this introduction and looking forward to seeing you at the poster session. Thank you.
As part of a project-based graduate course, we developed a computer graphics rendering system and original CG animated short inspired by a popular motion picture. We developed this system using openGL with numerous rendering effects, including color bleeding using an approximate many lights implementation and numerous non-photorealistic rendering styles. These styles include a grayscaled noir shader, a lighter Gwen shader, and a stippled cartoon shader. Numerous additional technologies were also implemented, including chromatic aberration and animated graphics panels using alpha maps. The entirety was a collaborative effort between all of the class's 20 students with guidance from Dr. Zoe Wood.
Welcome to our poster, 3D Behaviors for Multi-Agent Simulations with Position-Based Dynamics.
We propose to extend the existing 2D PBD-based crowd simulation approach to use separation planes for collision avoidance, using either preferred or algorithmically determined planes. On the right, the vector in blue shows the vertical collision avoidance and, on the left, the same vector shows horizontal collision avoidance. Here are some results showing horizontal collision avoidance method on the top, vertical collision avoidance method on the middle and reciprocal velocity obstacle method at the bottom. More results. Thank you.
Sand is a very complex visual object, so in video games one usually makes some assumptions to have it easier to render. Sometimes it is a static prop, sometimes it is seen at a fixed scale, but we didn't want to make such assumptions. We only rely on the low diversity of grain shapes and their pseudosphericity to develop a method that can render sand consistently at multiple scales and in a fully dynamic setting. It is built around impostors storing pre-computed views of the grains as a little G-buffer which are then used for deferred rendering. Our approach actually extends to other granular materials, and the impostor-based model is independent on the complexity of grains. If you want to know more about it, come and see our poster on real-time multi-scale sound rendering.
I hope that you enjoyed the fast forward videos, and I would like to remind you that the virtual poster session will take place on Wednesday. Thank you and have a wonderful day.